Tired of that nagging cough that just wouldn't go away? Whether you got a dry tickling in your throat or a deep chest rattling cough, you are not alone. Millions of people struggling with coughing, sometimes for weeks or even for months. But good news, there is over 100 proven ways to stop coughing fast. And today we are driving into automatic guidance to help you breathing easy again. Let's get started. What causes coughing? Before we get the solution, let's quickly cover what causes coughing in the first place. Acute coughs usually last less than 3 weeks, caused by colds, flu, or respiratory infections. Chronic coughs have around for over 8 weeks, or could signal asthma, GERD, post-nasal drips, or even long COVID. Trigger range from allergen, smoke, pollution to dry air, or even certain medication. Know what causes your cough is the first step in finding the right relief. Top 5 immediate cough relief techniques. Let's start with quick fix you can try right now. Number 1, honey tea. A spoonful of honey in warm water or herbal tea, soothing your throat instantly. Number 2, steam inhalation. Inhale steam from a bowl of hot water with a towel over your hand. Great for cleaning airways. Number 3, hydration. Drink plenty of fluids to thin mucus and keep your throat moist. Number 4, cough drops or lozenges. These stimulate saliva production, calming the irritation tickle. Number 5, humidify. Adding moisture to dry indoor air can significantly reduce coughing. Natural remedies and holistic practice. Looking for natural way to manage your coughing? Here are some tried and true remedies. Number 1, ginger tea. Ginger reduces inflammation and relax airway. Number 2, salt water bubble. Kills bacteria and soothing through irritation. Number 3, turmeric milk. An anti-inflammatory powder house. Preferred for nighttime coughing. Number 4, essential oils. Eucalyptus and peppermint oils can be inhaled or applied to the chest. Number 5, licorice root tea, soothing both dry and wet coughings. Always checking with your doctor before start any new remedy, especially if you have a chronic condition. Breathing exercise for coughing control. Sometimes learn how to breathe in differently can help manage chronic coughs, especially if caused by asthma or anxiety. Diaphragmatic breathing. Breathing deep into your belly, not your chest. Pursued lip breathing. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through pursued lips. Box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts. Holding for 4. Exhale for 4. Holding for 4. These techniques calm your airways to reduce the urgent cough. Diet tip for prevent cough. Do you know your diet can play a huge role in control coughs? Avoid dairy. If you have a mucus building up, it can make things worse for some people, including anti-inflammatory foods like leaf greens, berries, and omega-3 rich foods Stay away from processed food with preservations, which can irritate your throat. Probiotics from yogurt or supplement can also boost your immune systems and help prevent future coughs. When to see doctor. Not all coughs are harmless. If your cough lasts more than 3 weeks, come with chest pain, wheezing, or cough up a blood, it is likely it's linked to fever or night sweats. It is time to see a healthcare provider. Persistent cough could be linked to asthma, GERD, infections, or even lung disease. So never ignore the warning signs. Over-the-counter and prescription options. Sometimes you need extra help. Over-the-counter options include expectorants to thin the mucus, cough supplies for dry coughs, antihistamines if allergy are the cause. For chronic condition, doctors may prescribe inhalers for asthma, acid reduce for GERD-related coughs, antibiotics if there is bacterial infection. Preventing chronic cough. Prevention is key. To avoid chronic coughs, quit smoking or avoid secondhand smoke. Manage allergies with proper medication. Keep your home clean and dust-free. Strengthen your immune systems with health habits. Stay hydrated. Your throat will thank you. There's you have it. Over 100 proven ways to stop coughing naturally and effectively. Whether it is stubborn tickle or chronic issue, there was always a solution out there for you. If you have a cough, which method would you try first? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. If you found this topic helpful, want to dive in deeper, I publish a book with this topic, How to Stop Coughing, a complete guide to acute or chronic cough, over 100 proven methods. You can find the link in the description section below. It is packed with even more insights and practical tips to support your journey to better health. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Be healthy and happy, and I will see you next video.